Construction vehicle colors. What is this? It's a louder excavator. What color is it? It's green. What is it? It's a bulldozer car. What color is it? It's blue. What is this? It's a dump truck. What color is it? It's light blue. Light green. What is this? This is a loader proof. What color is it? It's dark green. What is this? It's a mountain car. What color is it? It's yellow. What is this? This is a crayon dump truck. What color is it? It's rainbow. What is this? This is a pickup truck. What color is it? It's bright yellow. What is this? This is a mountain truck. What color is it? It's orange.